Every time I engage with a new client, they always ask the same exact question. What's the best way to sell this product? And what I've learned is to just flip it back to them. I say, well, tell me something. What's the best way to build this product? And they look at me like, well, it's kind of complicated. Oh, it's complicated, is it? Do you think selling it's going to be less complicated than building it? They're like, I hope so. Now, sales is a lot more than a platitude. It's a lot more than relationships. It's a lot more than work and activity. It's a skill, and it requires somebody to learn what the market wants. What do the people who are buying it need, and what are they looking for? What problem are they trying to solve? And how do we engage them in a conversation? Because the magic does not happen in a pitch. I don't know how many things you've bought off of a pitch. I've never bought anything off of a pitch. A pitch is only designed to create or develop interest into action. And sales, we got to accept, especially in the enterprise, that it's a skill that you're required to develop. You have to understand things from the client's standpoint, not yours. You may be able to sell an investor, but selling a customer is a whole lot harder.